Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming which edition you're using, Java or Bedrock, because commands differ slightly. Once done, make sure cheats are enabled in World Options or you have operator rights on a server. Without that, you can't change modes. Open the chat with T on PC or the server console if you're admin. Now you're ready to type the game mode command. This first step gets permissions and input open so the rest works smoothly. Next, you execute the exact command. On Java, type /game mode survival, creative, adventure, or spectator, followed by a player name if needed. On Bedrock, use numeric IDs 0, 1, 2, 3, or the named modes. Use tab complete to fill usernames quickly. You set P for nearest player or your username for self-targeting. If you're on a server, remember to prefix with sudo or run from console if permissions block chat commands. This is the core change step. Precise syntax matters. Finally, confirm the change by looking for mode-specific indicators. Creative shows unlimited items, spectator lets you fly through blocks, and survival re-enables hunger. You can also run /game mode query or check your HUD. If the command fails, check that your op or cheats are enabled and verify any server plugins aren't blocking it. If problems persist, use the server console or restart the world to refresh permissions. That usually clears transient permission or plugin conflicts, so the commands.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.